Hi there, everybody. My name is Rob Anderson, and we are doing some street magic on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. I am here with Leo and Savannah, who are a couple. They've got the t-shirts to prove it, king and queen. And we're going to do a little bit of magic for them. How long have you two been together?
For over 2 years.
2 years? That's good. That's good. 2 years ago, then, you two went on your first dates 2 years ago, got to know each other. You held hands 2 years ago and realized, hey, let's do this again. We're going to take you back to your first date with our first trick. And you guys came all the way from the Netherlands, so we're going to make this a good one. Leo, could you hold your right hand out like this? Savannah, could you take your hand and put it like this? Yes. I'm going to take a card. I will take the 2 of spades there. I'm going to hand the 2 to Leo. Leo, I'm going to hand that card to you. Savannah, I'm going to take your hand and place it on top, holding hands like on those first dates you guys had. Remember the magic? You felt a little magic. You're going to feel this. I took the 8 of hearts here. Hearts are better for you two to have. We're talking about love. Hearts are for love. I'm going to take that heart, and here's what we're going to do. Did you feel that? Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you feel that? Look, look, look. Oh, the hearts. The hearts for love. For love, that's good.
Amazing.
That's good, thank you. Well, I actually made a little prediction about meeting a couple. I predicted on 4 queens. I like the queens. See, I knew this. I've got the queens. Got the queens right here. Savannah, I'd like you to actually hold out a hand and cup these cards for me. Hold one hand out like this, just like this. Perfect. You're going to hold the cards just like that. Don't let them move. Freeze. Good. This is a 2-part trick. Has to do with your compatibility together as a couple. I've done something special with the queens. I'll show you in just a moment. Leo, you're first. Yeah, he just chose the red cards, the hearts and the diamonds. Savannah, you can keep either one. That's your part. Do you want the heart or the diamond?
I think the heart.
The hearts over diamonds. Love over money. Love over money. She's a keeper. That's good. That's good. I predicted 1 card for you both. I thought we would need the Queen of Hearts. I took the Queen of Hearts for you. The Queen from a different deck of cards. That's how sure I was of what we would need. And I knew that we would need that Queen of Hearts. I knew we wouldn't need any other cards at all. That's all I brought. Just that Queen of Hearts. For our compatible couple. You two are so good together, see? You have the shirts to prove it. I'd like you to think of a happy memory you've shared with Leo. Just think about a happy time with Leo, okay? Don't say it. I won't try to guess it or say it. Just think about a time you felt happy with him. Think about it on a clock, what time this happened, like 1 through 12 o'clock. Think about the nearest hour, 1 through 12, that this happened. Can you do that? 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Again, 12 is right here. I know you're thinking of one of the times. I have to figure out what that is. I'm going to try to figure that out using this fork that I stole from dinner earlier. Don't tell Bellagio, please. I know it's one of the times on there, though. I'm going to lay this like an hour hand on the clock at the number I believe you are thinking of. I'm going to lay this at 7. It's 7? I thought of 7 o'clock. Let's move it out of the way. The 7 o'clock card is important to you both. None of the other cards are going to matter. Only that 7 o'clock card matters now. It's going to be a souvenir card for you both, okay? Because none of the other cards matter. That's actually a very good card. Why don't you take that, Leo, okay? Whenever you're ready, I'll let you show Savannah that card. Hey, it's Rob, and I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.